Should you get a naked bike? In today's video, I'm going to give you a few reasons why it might be a better choice. Stick around till the end of this video and see if a naked bike is worth it for you. The naked or standard motorcycle has been one of the most common types of bikes on the road. These type of motorcycles are usually the tamped down version of the sports bikes, without the fairings and mostly used for commuting or street riding. One of the top reasons why you should ride a naked bike is because they are very affordable and inexpensive to keep. The initial cost of a standard naked bike can be much lower than other motorcycle models. Since the Yamaha R1 and MT10 have similar engines, we will use this as an example. The R1 starting price comes in about $17,000 USD. For $4,400 less, you can get a MT10 as $13,000 USD. Second, let's talk about comfort and practicality. This is normally not a concept that most people associate with motorcycles. However, a naked bike is a practical way of transportation because they tend to be on a smaller sized bikes. They fit comfortably in a small garage and are easy to park on the street due to its lighter weight. The rider will be pretty comfortable being in an upright seating position, as that position offers some of the best line of sight. But most naked bikes also get amazing gas mileage compared to sports bikes, which is important for people that have to commute every day. They are not fun sports bikes, but you can still have plenty of fun in the twisty roads on the weekend. Moving on to maintenance. Not only is it inexpensive in price, but its maintenance costs less in the long run. Having less stuff on the bike means fewer things needed to be fixed or replaced. By not having fairings on the bike, it can save you lots of frustration and time. On my Ninja 300, it takes me at least 20 to 30 minutes to just take off the fairings. By contrast, with a naked bike, you don't have to take off body panels to do simple things like oil changes. Access is usually pretty simple and straightforward, and you don't have to stress out over scratching your beloved fairings on the expensive sports bike. Up next, performance and handling. Naked bikes have a perfect weight to power ratio, which in turn does not take too much strength or skills to control the bike in the beginning. They are fun to ride because they are incredibly powerful and fast with excellent acceleration on the open road. This is partly due to the bike being much lighter than other motorcycles because of having fewer materials and equipment on them. Although they are not as fast as sports bikes, the naked bike handling is just as easy to control and can easily top 100 miles per hour when needed. Last, it can also be beginner friendly. Because of its lightweight and reduced power, it is strongly recommended for people that are looking for their first motorcycle. Bikes such as the Z400, CB500F, and MT-07 are some of the bikes you can consider depending on your size and comfort level. The naked bike is an ideal motorcycle to have because you are getting the best of both worlds: the comfort of a cruiser and the acceleration and adrenaline of a sports bike. There is a lot to consider when purchasing a motorcycle, and there are a ton of different models, brands, and styles available everywhere. If lightweight, ease of control, upright sitting position is something you would rather prefer when going out for a ride, a naked bike could be the one for you. As always, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about naked bikes. Do you prefer a naked bike, sport bike, or something else? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.